The chairman, Ahmed Lawan Campaign Team, Senator Abdullahi Yahaya, has expressed optimism in Senator Ahmed Lawan emerging as the leader of the Ninth Assembly.
We are quite certain, that God willing, if the contest comes out tomorrow, by the grace of Allah, I think we will succeed.
Yahya added that they are sure of victory after due consultation with both party members as well as those in the opposition.
We worked our hearts out to reach out to our colleagues, not just colleagues in the APC, but also colleagues in the PDP. The Senate has 109 seats. 63 of them, if Uroche gets his certificate today, will be APC seats. There's one that is in contention, and PDP has 44. So 44 is not a small number in a contest like this. So we reached out to them. We have been meeting them both formally and informally. We have also ensured that our candidate met with each senator, irrespective of his party, on one-on-one basis.